Peti mo Bobby. Bobby i wari lo COVID-19 lockdown. Tete, Bobby hemi wari tumas. From mi film se lockdown hemi meke hemi fried. Bobby i singa te peti. Fra hemi want te find him out straight information lo wane hemi save mekem lo tanem ol wari blehem. Peti italem se. Lockdown iminim se yumi everyone i must stop quiet la house. Hemi one important way plo tanem spread plo COVID-19 mo protecte yumi everyone. Peti italem se. Lockdown iminim se you no save go out lo school mo any party with them all friend blue. Mo you no save travel I golong ol Nara Island blo visit him all family blue. Time you stop lo lockdown, you save make some activity la house where you like him blo make him. Ol sem kala mo draw picture, read one book, sing or listen lo music mo play. Time you keep one good routine lo lockdown, you feel him say you got more control mo save predicti one by you save make him lo each day. Suppose you no save look all friends mo family blue face to face, you make sure say you contact them ogeta through lo phone call or message. Peti italem se. Emi alright lo give him you mo all family blue sometime lo adjust lo nuvla no mo la house. Peti italem se. Ikut lo story with mo all friend blue mo serem all wari. Suppose you save someone we hemi harem no kut, remind him se I no mo blo wari. Mo alright lo serem all wari with the one friend or family blehem. All family mo friend I should give you plenty love mo attention mo listen lo all wari blehem. Ikut blo try explain one mista happen lo one way we easy blo understand him mo spend the full up time with him mo storyan together. Peti italem lo Bobby se. But you no worry, from se all school mo shop hemi close naya, but in a long time but only open back again. Bruno italem lo Betty se. Sometime all worry blomis ta make me cross. Time me feel cross, one na ba me make him. Betty italem se. Suppose you feel him cross, you save go walk out small you want, mo pulo go twin. Mo find one different something blotting out. Try and find somewhere ble help him all nara man or woman. All sem serem kakai with them family mo all neba blue. Peti italem lo Bobby se. You no must spend it too much time lo look all news mo check Facebook. Too much news is save make use ta worry lo wane mi save happen. Peti italem se. You no must worry long all something when you no save control him. Instead, emi could blo think about all something we save make him. Everyone must continue blo wash a good hand with them soap mo water. Mo wear a mask time you go outside. You must stop lo one place where good fla winnie blow mo you no must stand up close up lo long all nara falaman. Peti italem se. Remember hemi no forever. In a long time but you go back lo normal. Yumi everyone must stop healthy all time. Time you stop lo lockdown, you must kakai all good fla healthy kakai, stop quiet la house, mo find one activity where you save enjoy him, plotan him stress blue. Remember, sometime everyone I worry a little bit, but no must use violence against them all naraman. Bobby hemi film se naya hemi happy to mas. From se hemi got full up something where hemi save make him ble help him turn him all worry blehem. Thank you to mas Petty mo nara health walk around la Vanuatu. God by bless you me everyone. Mo keep you me safe all